That's a good one, and I think to your point, obviously, there's been a lot of talk around just diluting Chinese influence in the critical minerals market, because obviously, as we know, most of the refining capacity has been going to China, which I think makes your business proposition very exciting, because I think you're trying to do something unique, something that has not been done before, which is great. So when I was looking at your website, I realized that you have a target production capacity of 50,000 metric tons per annum. How is that looking like? And are there any specific timelines that people should know about, from you getting the permit to moving into production?
Yeah, great question. So as you mentioned, we're building a really big lithium refinery that has the capacity of 50,000 tons per annum when at full capacity. And we're doing that in a phased approach to mitigate risk. So phase one will build the first production line of 25,000 tons per annum. And then once completed, or we decide to move forward on the second one, we can build its sister line, another 25,000 ton line. That would give us some efficiencies and scale using engineering. And of course, we'll adapt lessons learned from the first train. So yeah, we're looking to build a really big lithium refinery in Muskogee, Oklahoma. So as you noticed, we have reached several of our critical milestones. We own our site in Southside Industrial Park. We are now permitted to start major construction. And recently, just a few weeks back, we had a groundbreaking. That was a wonderful event, really well attended by the state of Oklahoma, with the lieutenant governor being there making remarks, as well as the local community with the mayor and former mayor of Muskogee there, really highlighting the extensive community support that we have. So when we think about our project, the next kind of key milestone is finishing our definitive engineering. We've engaged Primero USA, we see as a leader in that space. And we seek to have that finished, by the end of this quarter or early next quarter. And then we can start the project finance timeline. As you might have read as well, we've engaged MUFG, one of the world's largest banks, as our lead financial advisor. And we've been hard at work with them to finance this critical piece of American infrastructure. And so as we do the project finance, typically we see it takes 18 to 24 months to build these things, the first line. We've been thoughtful to help reduce that timeline by looking at long lead items, which we see as transformers, as well as crystallizers. We have strategic partnerships in the area. So, we've already done some initial construction at the site. So we've been thoughtful to try to reduce that timeline, but we also want to be conservative in the way we look at it.